Welcome to this video, which is all about how to make money in Forex trading if you've got no previous experience. So what tuition, training and education do you need? And I'm going to come to that in a moment, but before I discuss what you need to do to win, I just want to warn beginners, and it's a mistake made by the vast majority. They come to Forex trading thinking it's not a serious profession or business. And when I say that, I mean, they don't think they need any preparation or education. They think they can follow a ready-made strategy, tips, or a system from someone online who's selling one. And it's a common mistake. But you've got to think about it logically. You're not going to win at anything in life unless you do some preparation or training. You wouldn't expect to do your day job and not learn it, or if you run a business, learn about your business. And I think if you want to come into Forex trading, you do actually have to take it seriously. But the really good news, of course, is that Forex trading is a profession that anyone can learn. Contrary to belief, you don't need a degree, you don't need an insider secret, you don't need to do a huge amount of work either. Now, this is proved by a simple statistic. I'll give you the statistic. It's 95% of traders lose money. And that statistic never changes and never will change. So it proves that technology, which everyone seems to think helps in trading, actually doesn't, because we've seen a huge amount of technological advances over the years, and the statistic of losers still remains the same. So what really does differentiate those losers from winners? Well, it is simply mindset. Human nature has never changed and never will. That keeps the statistic constant. Now, in terms of strategy, I'll look at strategy first, then I'll look at the mindset you need. But in terms of strategy, it can be a very simple strategy. It doesn't have to be very complicated at all. It can be based on charts, looking at support and resistance levels, learning the high odds chart formations, then trading them for profit. Now, if you were to put a time scale on how long it takes to learn a strategy, I would say if you do your research correctly, you can learn one in under a month. Then you will have a strategy that can make money. And the important point is you've got to research it yourself, match it to your personality so that you're confident in the trading edge that you've got. Now you have to exploit your trading edge. And by exploiting your trading edge, I mean you've got to follow your strategy, follow your rules, execute your trading signals with rigid discipline. Sounds easy? It's the hard part of Forex trading. You actually have to have the right mindset to do it. Now, when I say it's the hard part of Forex trading, I mean it's the hard part for traders who do not understand the importance of mindset. If you understand it before you come in to trading, then you can make a very simple choice, which is to become a disciplined trader. So why can't most traders make the right choice? Well, the answer is simple, really. They've got egos, and their egos mean they cannot take losses. And forget about Forex trading being about just maximising profits. That is only half the equation. You've got to keep your losses small. Most traders will basically, when they get a loss, hope it turns around, let it get bigger. They just cannot trade with discipline. Money is on the line, they don't want to look stupid, and basically they let those losses run out of control. Now, in Forex trading, you're going to spend a lot of time looking stupid, and it's one of those things that if you want to win, you've got to learn to lose first. And by that, I mean learn to lose and keep those losses small. Then you can run your profits. Now, in terms of educating yourself and learning a simple strategy, I've already said that's pretty easy. And you can do that all for free online. And there's a vast amount of information on charting. And you can research the best simple strategies. And then it's down to your mindset. In terms of mindset, I would actually suggest you invest a little bit of money in a few of the really classic trading books. And I'll give you a few that I think will be well worth you investing money in. And they're going to cost you under $100, but it'd be fantastic education if you get these books. So what are they? I'd recommend certainly you get Market Wizards and New Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. interviews top traders of all time, and it's really the best of the best in those books. And when you read their stories and what they say about their success, they'll all stress strong money management and learning your own trading strategy. They make a point of saying learn your own trading strategy, don't follow others, because you've got to have rock solid confidence in that strategy to follow it through those losing periods. So those books, I think, are a worthwhile investment for any trader. I'd also recommend you get the Zurich Axioms by Max Gunther, which really exposes the investment world for what it is, and a book called The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. It's a classic on trading with discipline. And I think if you got those 4 books, you will have a really good grounding in the mindset that you need to succeed. Forex trading is a link between your strategy and your mindset, okay? The link has to be that you follow that strategy with discipline. You don't want to be chopping and changing strategies looking for the perfect one. You stick with the one you've got. You know its flaws, you know its strengths. There's no perfect strategy, and you can ride out those losing periods and then run your profits to cover them. And I think Forex trading is one of those businesses that is simple. It's extremely simple, yet so few traders win. But when you actually look at why they lose, you can see why you can win and how you can make a great profit over time. So if you want to trade Forex, you've got no experience at the moment, don't worry. Do not be intimidated by the markets. Spend about a month researching a strategy based on charts, and then get some of those classic books on the great traders. Learn their mindset, and then you can become a winner at Forex trading. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care and have a good day.